Roydell and Alberstein's grandmother and my grandmother, okay, they were sisters. So that make me and Roydell and Alberstein, okay, that's going to be first. That same grandmother. They my first cousins. Okay, their cheering would be my second. Their cheering to you all, my cheering, that would make you all maybe third. I'm not sure if it's third or fourth. I know you can't code them. I know you can't be with them in a relationship because those are kin people. So one that just got shot, Derek, okay, that's gonna be Alberstein's great grandson. So that would have made him, if he was still alive, that would have made him you all's maybe six